Enchanted titty milk.
Coil, bruh? I mean, yo.
Teammates is my museum. I'm just
Teammate, it's not.
It's really low, I think it's not.
She fucking flicked the shit out of him.
Watch.
Permanently. Hey, goddamn these bitches, especially they see a rapper, but they ignore the band. I ain't talking about musicians, you stupid bitch, talking about what's on my hand. Bitch, I've been at it in it for a minute, this all been a part of my
Oh my god, get him!
So millions of records before the radio,
Yes,
it don't
please.
feel good to be the man. Hey, everybody.
Hey bro, can you give me please some milk?
Bro, I'll give you all my milk.
Hey bro, can I take it from the titties?
Bro,
Are you gay? Just calm down.
What?
What?
Are you talking enchantment?
Dude, all this language.
Go get him, boys! Damn, son! No, he's right inside that room. Oh no, he wasn't. My bad.
Why did I listen to this kid, dude? He was like, he's in that room, turn. Fuck you.
You know that Spider-Man's sperm is toxic?
Okay, so Slenderman لحاله looks like a fucking sperm. His fucking sperm looks like a normal human being.
Razi after Ramadan. I am the only one that didn't kick you. Salah kicked you. Oh my god.
الكرسي له جاي يعني تنكيكو جبت من واحد من كيك جبت انت صاحب جاي
Remember Miss Maha in the background? It's literally just jelly. Like a jelly.
But it's been almost a year. It's almost.
Check من عالم من 1990s or some shit كان ما
It's like this.
مجدي.
ثانية عم تفتش على
I know what this is.
بصراحة looks retarded. What the fuck?
This is a man.
هيدا man, that's a shopping bag خيي.
فكاته ماسك.
He has stuff.
أقول لك it's a shopping bag خيي. يا الله.
Johan. So they do this. Okay. They do this.
Okay,
So what do they do? What do they do? ما شفتها. I'm done with this game.
شوفل. هيك عتمة بالأوضة. بيجي هو.
شباك هيدا جوس بوكس، ما بتعرف جوس بوكس؟
هيك. وبتجي أنت.
ما يعمل يرقص.
أنت بتجي هيك بعدين هيك.
ما بعرف how you get each other but it's so bad.
Right? But he goes higher because he's a right? So
Okay,
doing a
okay.
backflip,
Yeah.
right? And this time he loses half of his head. So it's like this.
بيري قالت له أعطيني سنينك يا أخو ماني أوكي.
Why do you have
بعدين
to vote for when
he
I say
died
so?
okay he died